Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to factory reset Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. There are two ways to perform a factory reset on your Nintendo Switch 2. The first way is through recovery mode, and the second is through system settings. To reset through settings, turn on your console and log in. From the home screen, go to System Settings. In the left panel, scroll all the way down and select System. Then, scroll to the bottom until you see Formatting Options or Clear Data. Select that and then tap Restore Factory Settings. You'll see several prompts explaining what will happen. Your data, accounts, and downloaded games will be deleted. Make sure to read all instructions carefully before proceeding. Once ready, tap Next, and then confirm by selecting Restore Factory Settings. The console will begin the reset process and restart once it's complete. If you don't want to reset, simply tap Cancel and return to the home screen. So that's basically how you can factory reset Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks.